We are a student of UMACH. We present our call Accounting Services website. Service accounting is a company that offers a service to the other business. The mission of the company is we offer accounting solutions as advice, accounting and tax consulting to ensure services quality and efficiency of keeping record of the customer. Vision be the mainstay of the business decision of customer to help the achieve the jobs in the short, medium and long term and thus contribute to economic and human development of enterprise in the country.
Our business Acounting Service perform the financial statement to a company barely bookstore. The Acounting Journal. The Acounting Journal is the main accounting record in May accounting system, in which all transactions are booked. The first records of a transaction is made in the newspaper. It is the book in which all income and expenses are recorded. The elaborate Acounting Journal, December 31, 2016, expressed in American dollars. The structure is dates and detail, partial debits and credits. The first transaction January 1st and cash inventory on merchandise not receivable, according receivable, a computer equipment, office equipment, offices, furniture, administrative expenses, sales expenses, and financial expenses, according payable debits, not payable, bonds payable, capital. T and R opening entry. The second transaction, January 2nd, and purchase 12% and valued at tax, purchase 0% and income tax withholding 1%. And two records, purchase invoice number 001, 001 and 000 to 3999. The general ledger. The general ledger is where the accounts of assets, liabilities, and owners' equity, the company are recorded. The general ledger is where you organize and classify the different accounts that mobilize enterprise assets, liabilities, and owners' equity. So that records are valid must be based on the daily authorization book.
The balance sheet. A balance sheet also refers to a statement of financial position, reports on a company's assets, liabilities, and hours equity at the given point in the time. Assets, current assets, non-current assets, equal total assets. Expenses. Operational expenses equal total expenses. Total assets more expenses. Liabilities equal total liabilities. Hours equity equal total hours equity. Total liabilities more hours equity. Income statement. An income statement to know as a statement of revenue and expense, P&L, loss, profit and loss report. Reports of a company income statement and profit over a period of time. A profit and loss statement provides information on the operation of the enterprise. In the income statement, you can see sales revenue, gross margin, profit before employer profit sharing, profit before income tax, equal net income. In the income statements show employee profit sharing 15% and income tax 22%.
The next statement is a cash flow statement. A cash flow statement reports on a company's cash flow activities, particularly its operating, investing, and financing activities. The cash flow statement, you can see cash flow from operating is cash generated from sales, payment to employees, payment to taxes, and net cash flow from operating activities. Cash flow from investing, payments for new investments, dividends received, and net cash flow from investing. In the cash flow from financing, you can see debts, dividends paid to stockholders, and net cash flow from financing activities. Net cash flow, cash balance, beginning of year report. The sales report measurements are related to sales. Also the key performance indicators for a period of time. The sales analysis reports provide a record of past performance and can be used as a tool to predict future the sales business. Between January and March, the company begins its financial activities with stable sales. You can see in the picture. From April to May, sales grew slowly, but in May, sales rose due to lower price for customers. From August to October, the sales were declined because of a decrease and with place at previous. From November to December, the belly box store experienced unusual seasonal increases.
Source document, invoice, is a document that reflects information in sales transaction. The basic information in an invoice must reflect delivery or offered product provision service, along with the date of accrual, as will indicate the amount payable in relation to inventories. Assets of a business for sales, the regular exploration, either for process incorporation into the production process, in auditing to indicating the VAT rate to be applied. Withholding form. Withholding form is an obligation to purchase of goods and services, not to provide the total value to purchase to supply, but to keep or retain portion in tax.